Hello, Standard 8. So, today we are starting with 1.1 of your English, that is, a poem named as A Time to Believe, written by B.J. Morbitzer. So, let's know more about the poet before we start with the poem. So, here it is. The poet Robert Joe Morbitzer, who is nicknamed as B.J. Morbitzer, is a contemporary poet residing in a Grove City, Ohio. He was a former Army Ranger Special OPS in North Carolina. He has written many poems: You Still Have Hope, Remind Me God, Steadfast Heart, I'm a Soldier in the Army of God, Hello God, and many others. One thing that I can say about this poet that he writes really very inspirational poems which are related to his own life. He shares his own experience for the readers into his poem. Even the poem that we are going to do today, A Time to Believe, is also one of the motivational and inspirational poem. It gives a lot of hope and reasons for the readers to believe in better things in order to change their lives. Okay, we will also get to know further once we start with analyzing the poem. But as I always say, that before analyzing the poem, it is very important for you to recite the poem twice and thrice, so it becomes easier for you to answer in the exam, right? So we'll also recite this poem once. So here the poem is. It begins with: To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of the child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it's time to pick up the pieces and begin again. To believe is to know we are not alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach. If only we believe. Oh, undoubtedly, what a masterpiece written by the poet B.J. Morbitzer. Okay, so let's start with the analyzing the poem line by line so even you get to know that how inspirational and motivating this poem is. Okay, so let's begin. So, seeing the first stanza, that is the first four line of the poem, it says that to believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and the dreams really do come true. Yeah, the poem begins with the poet telling all of us that to believe means to know that every day is a new beginning. हम कहते हैं ना नई सुबह नई कहानी, राइट? सो हर एक नया दिन अपने साथ बहुत सारी नई चीजें लेकर आती है. So it's no use of dwelling on the happenings that have happened previous day. We should always start anew when the sun rises. है ना? पिछली सारी बातों को याद करके आप उसे बदल नहीं सकते. उससे बेटर नए दिन पे नई शुरुआत तो कर सकते हो ना, right? So that is what the poet is trying to say, that every day is a new beginning. So with the new beginning you should always start a fresh. Moving ahead is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. The poet is asking all of us to believe that miracles happen every day. रोज बहुत सारे मिराकल होते हैं. कितनी बार हमें पता भी नहीं चलता और बस गॉड कम्स एंड शोज अस मैजिक एंड जस्ट गोज अवे. We don't even realize. Yeah, for example, let's talk right now. Your exams got cancelled, right? Isn't that a kind of miracle for you students? है ना? So miracles do happen, dreams really do come true. Don't think that मैंने कोशिश की पर हो नहीं पाया, it did not happen. No, my dear students, always believe that dreams really do come true. Only if you believe in yourself, then only you will reach to your goal. Self belief is very, very, very important, students, in the life. Miracles will only happen when you believe in it. Dreams will only come true when you believe in it. Right? So, moving ahead with the next stanza. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. Yeah. आपने कभी angels को डांस करते हुए देखा है? या आपने कभी angels को भी देखा है क्या? No, right? So poet says that to believe is to be able to see angels dance amidst the clouds. हमने देखा नहीं है, but we believe, we imagine angels sitting up there, dancing about the clouds, right? So ये जो हमारा imagination है, the poet is saying, this imagination needs a belief. जैसे आपने imagine किया है कि हाँ वहाँ angels है, वो dance कर रही है about the clouds. So believe into your imagination. To know the wonder of a stardust sky. Yeah, stardust sky. As you can see on the screen, there's a beautiful moon, the night sky, stars are twinkling. Yeah? So believe into that. There's a very beautiful sky up there. Right? Furthermore, the poet also says the wisdom of a man in the moon. Yeah? And the wisdom of the man in the moon. Here the poet meant to say that we imagine a picture of some humans when we see a moon, especially full moon day पर. हम जब moon देखते हैं, we imagine a man sitting over there, we imagine an animal, sometimes we imagine there's a tree under which an old lady is sitting, right? So the poet says that it also means to know the wonder of a man who resides on the moon with great amusement and the knowledge over there, right? हमें ये सारी चीज़ों को believe करो. अगर आप imagine कर रहे हो, then start believing also. Like you students, many a times you say, you have even asked me the question in the class, ma'am, do aliens exist? Right? So, what you imagine is what you believe, right? So, always keep your belief, at the highest point. So, if you believe in something good, then good is surely going to happen with you. So, moving ahead. Very beautiful lines. I really love these lines. It says that to believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hands. In this stanza, the poet says that when you say you believe, you need to also understand the love of a nurturing heart. Nurturing heart means the heart which provided protection to you, the heart which took care of you, okay, the heart which helped you to grow. So believe into that love of a nurturing heart. It also means to understand the innocence of a little child's eyes. When you see those innocent little eyes of a child, you feel that the soul is so pure, you feel that the world is so pure, you feel that there's truth everywhere. यहाँ पे कोई झूठा नहीं है, यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं. When you see those innocent little eyes of a child. Further, the poet says, and the beauty of an aging hand. Oh my God. You can see on the screen that aging hand. So protectively it is holding the hand of a child. This aging hands gives us many teachings. They share their experience with us. This aging hands, the one which have grown old, they share their experience with us. And that is how we learn to love. We learn from them many things. We learn the life lessons from them. And that is only we are going to use in our life ahead. So the poet is trying to say through this lines that through the love of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a children, and by understanding the beauty of an aging hand, that we come to know the greatest life lessons. Right? Nurturing heart always teaches us to love everybody, to take care of everybody. The innocence of a child's eyes, it is teaching us to see the world as pure as you. It is teaching you to believe in the world also. For it and the aging hand, yeah. Obviously, it is teaching you so many life lessons. Yeah, you are learning to love from this aging hands, the experience that they share. So that is what the poet was trying to say, that believe into little things that are there nearby you, that are there around you, that will help you to grow and to believe in yourself. So, moving ahead with the stanza, here comes the next line. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. Yes, my dear students, at any point of the life, never, never, never ever feel that you are not strong, you are not brave, you are not courageous. No, that is not you. Look at that lion on the screen. Look at his face, how strengthful, how strong, how bravery and courage it looks. Right? So that is all within you. Whenever you feel low, whenever you feel like you are good for nothing, just say that you are the one who can achieve anything. If you believe in yourself, you will surely able to nail it. There is a lot of strength, lot of courage, lot of bravery inside you. All you have to do is you need to bring that courage outside from you. You need to say that to yourself. You need to believe in yourself. Then only you will be able to achieve it. Further, when it's time to pick up the pieces and begin again. Yes, my dear students, when you feel like you have failed, when you feel like your life has just terribly got over with this, never forget that tomorrow there will be a sunrise, and with sunrise there will be a new beginning. So pick up all the pieces, pick up all the broken pieces and hopes, and begin again. Start afresh. You have lot of strength and courage within you. So fix your broken pieces, bring it up together, and you will be able to mend all those pieces with your undeniable belief. आप कैसे उन pieces को जोड़ पाओगे? With your belief that yes, you can do it because you are very strong and very courageous. So moving ahead. Oh, my dear students, yeah, this is really a very important stanza. To believe is to know we are not alone. Yes, always remember, you are never, never alone. If you feel very much low in your life and you feel like nobody is there with you in this difficult time, always remember your friends, your parents, your mentors, your guides, your teachers are always there with you. But more than that, you have your courage inside you. Never forget that this courage can actually take you far. This courage and this belief that you have within yourself will help you to reach to your goals. So never ever believe that you are alone. This life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. Yeah, let's understand this by taking the current situation in mind. How is the current situation, this pandemic situation that is there? What we can see that we are safe at home, we are alive, right? We are able to roam, whatever we like to do, we can do it inside the house. But remember, there are people who don't have a house. There are people who are longing to go and meet their family, but they have a belief within themselves that one day they will meet their family. They are walking, walking, and walking just to reach their home. But you are there with your home. You are there with your family, right? So, this life is a gift to you. And love your life, cherish your life. Just like you love your friends, your other things, also love your own life. Self love is something which is going to develop a belief within yourself, right? So never believe that you are alone. This life is a gift that you have got it. Respect it and cherish it. This is the message that the poet wanted to give to all the young students out there. So, going further, here is the last stanza of the poem. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. Oh, there are so beautiful surprises that are just on their way to reach you. It's you who just have to find those surprises. They are around you, they are in front of you, but you need to find them and grab it. Believe that there are many surprises waiting for you. All your hopes and dreams are within reach. Yeah. So, your hopes and dreams are only an arm's length away. आपको क्या बिलीव करना है कि आपके सारे होप्स और ड्रीम्स बस आपके सामने ही है, लेकिन वो होप्स और ड्रीम्स को आप फुलफिल कैसे करोगे? how you are going to reach till that hopes and dreams? This is how you are going to reach to your hopes and dreams. You will reach only if you believe. Yeah, the last line of the poem says, if only we believe. This hopes and this dreams are going to get fulfilled. The surprises you will get it. This life that the God has gifted to humans, which is nothing more than the ability to believe in good things. Yes, if you believe that good things are going to happen to you, then surely these good things are going to happen to you. It is all that you believe. That is what the thing is going to guide you further. If you believe into good things are going to happen. So always be positive, always be optimistic, never ever feel negative in the life. That is what the poet is trying to say. He is making you motivate to love your life more and more and believe within yourself. So here we are ending with the analyzing the poem one by one stanza. So next comes the glossary. The meanings we have already seen while analyzing the poem. Still, I'll just go through with that. Miracle means some extraordinary event that is happening. Aging means getting old. Pick up the pieces means returning to normal after any kind of disaster or after any kind of um, you know shock that you are going through. Yeah, stardust means having a magical quality. Nurturing means providing care and protection. Within reach means the things which are possible for you to achieve. Cherish means loving something very near and dear things. So, here was the meaning of the chapter. I hope this poem is very much clear with you. The poet has written this poem as a masterpiece, and I hope you also love this poem. I'll end the session with saying that read the poem again and again so that it helps you to answer it. In the next session, we will study the figures of speech and the appreciation of the poem. So, let's meet again. Thank you so much for all your time. And if any doubts, you can surely and freely ask me. Thank you so much once again.